Now we will learn how to subtract a given lengths. Already we know how to add a given lengths. In the same way we will subtract given lengths also. So in addition process we will add centimeter to centimeter and meter to meter. In the same way in subtraction process we will subtract centimeter from centimeter and meter from meter. Now we will see one example. Subtract 9 meters minus 2 meters. If it is a question, now both the numbers, both the lengths are in same units, meters only. So we will write one below the other, 9 meters, and below it 2 meters. We are going to subtract minus. So 9 minus 2 is 7 meters. So our answer is 7 meters. If both are the same units, we can subtract easily. Here these both are meters. Now I am going to take both as a centimeters. 54 centimeters minus 32 centimeters. Now write 54 centimeters first. Write 32 centimeters below 54. Now both the lengths are in same units. Both are in centimeters only and both are 2-digit numbers. It's very simple to subtract. Start from ones place onwards. Here 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Next move to the tens place. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is also 2. So 22 centimeters is our answer. Here both the lengths are having the same units. So it is also simple to solve by using subtraction. Now if our two lengths are a combination of 2 units, then how we will solve? In the same way of addition, we can subtract centimeters from centimeters and meters from meters. Look at this example. "29 meters 54 centimeters. This is the measure of first length, and 12 meters 32 centimeters. This is the measure of second length. Now we will write these two given values one below the other. 29 which is in meters and 54 is in centimeters. "29 meters 54 centimeters. Next 12 meters 32 centimeters. We are going to subtract. Okay. Now centimeters. You have to start from centimeters. Ones place. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Next move to the tens place. 5 minus 3 is also 2. Next move to the meters place. This is a centimeters, 22, and ones place. 9 minus 2 is a 7 and 2 minus 1 is a 1. So the answer is 17 meters 22 centimeters. So if a measure of the lengths are given in a combination of meters and centimeters, or else meters, kilometers, like this also, we can add and we can subtract from the same units only. Afterwards, if you get here centimeters more than 100, as I said before, you need to convert into meters, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. For example, if we get here 122 centimeters, then 122 means 100 plus 22. Okay, this 100 centimeters we will take it as 1 meter and we will add to the meters value. Okay, so this conversion is no need now. How to add and how to subtract, you have to learn thoroughly. So we need to subtract centimeters from centimeters and meters from meters only. Okay.